Bigs! Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! And for today's vlog, mga madam, samahan niyo po kami. Meron kaming teachers outing for today. So actually, this is the founding anniversary of Smeag school. So we will have the small party or celebration of teachers. So we will go to the resort. And actually, this is also the first teachers outing for the year 2022. So samahan nyo kami guys at tingnan natin ang place. Let's go!
One eternity later.
Ayan, update po mga madam. Andito na po tayo sa place. And actually, hindi pa siya tapos. Pero meron na siyang swimming pool. So ayan ang kanyang swimming pool. Oh, hindi pa siya tapos actually. And at the place actually, ewan ko kung meron siyang dagat but malayo siya if gusto nyong maligo. But actually there is pool right there. So ayan. Meron siyang beach doon, o diba? And this place is located in Maribago. So ayan, look at the place. So hindi pa siya tapos. So ayan guys. So ayan mga madam. Yan ang puntahan natin ang kanilang swimming pool. Meron silang bar. Yan. I'm wearing my sleeper. So, ayan. Yeah, bar area. Hi. Ayan, kanilang bar. Mini bar. Yeah. I guess that's rooms, I guess, but not yet done. Swimming pool area. Ang dagway sa napilin. Lamig kay lipstick.
Are you ready? Because we are not.
Meanwhile, we had during our 10th year anniversary. So,
good afternoon. My name is Mr. Patrick. I'm handling Capital Campus. I'm really glad to see you, all of you guys. After Corona, we won the Corona-19. I'm really happy to see all of you teachers and the staff again. And today our anniversary day. And I'm sure next year our anniversary is going to be much better. I hope you enjoy today. Many drink, but don't drunk. Yeah, just enjoy today. Thank you.
But first of all, I just want to say thank you for coming today. Now we have a 16th anniversary with everybody. I hope our company getting flourish. And next year, we're gonna be higher number of the students. We need your help always. Thank you for anniversary today, and also thank you for participating. I'm gonna help you all the time. And also, I hope we can see you next year as well. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Since 2019, we had a 15th anniversary, right? And then now, after 2 years or 30 years, we are having 16 years anniversary now. We do. And suddenly, it occurred to me. When I started 2006, we started with 8 teachers. Cherry is one of them. Only 8 teachers, and then after many years, we became almost our teachers more than 600 or 700 plus other staff. We reached almost 1,000 staff, and also when I started 2006, and after 30 years, 2008-9, we are the biggest one in the Philippines. We can do it. But now we already have, before 2008, now we have 80. We start again. And then I don't know, we can reach 6,000, 8,000, we can do it. As a fighter, we have passion. As a fighter, we have dream. Of course, we can do. We can do. And also, this time, all are very loyal members. Because you guys came there. But still we have COVID, but we can anyway start again. It can be like my power from you, and then I can do, we can do. That's the most important. Anyway, 2022, 2023, our motto is SME age continue again. Okay? When I say SME continue, and then you just please follow, continue. Okay? Okay. SME continue. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Wang. I think he has summed it all. I just wanted to say how happy I am to see all of you today. And we planned this, for a day or two? Yeah? And you're all here. I can't explain how I feel. I'm getting emotional. Everyone be silent! Okay, first one. Please stand up. No one is accepted.
Sige, babanta mo. Dali tayo. Faster, JM. Faster, JM and Aaron. Come over, faster. Just follow us. One.
Christian as well.
And teacher Christian. JM and Aaron, come on. Or I will ask each everyone to take back the allowance. Come on.
Welcome to my channel.
Hi! Yes, yes,
May bastiil kay na nagaan ko sa pag-late niya. Lagi.
One eternity later.
Ayan, mga madam update. Ayan, nandito po ako sa bahay. So, ayan mga madam, it was a nice celebration. Although it's just a salo-salo with the teachers and everything. So, it's not really big as before. Yes. But it was really, we enjoyed actually. We enjoyed, though it's tiring, you know, because it's very, very, very far from the city. So, ayan, dito nagtatapos ang aking vlog. See you in my next vlog. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam! Bye! Bye!